The current situation in the country, and as far as the floods is concerned, the government of Kenya has today received 40 tons of foodstuff from the United Arab Emirates, UAE, to help support Kenyans affected by the heavy rains and floods in the country. The Cabinet Secretary, Ministry for EAC, Arid and Semi-Land and Regional Development, Penina Malonza, received the donation from the United Arab Emirates Ambassador to Kenya, Dr. Salim Ibrahim Mohammed. The government received white rice, cooking oil, sugar and milk powder.
We are very grateful to the government of UAE for sending this consignment to our country in a time that we are going through a very difficult time, especially with many of our people in the country affected by the floods that are happening in this country. Today, we have the statistics of the number that we have lost that has raised to 210. And we also have the number of households that are affected to a tune of 33,100. That translates to 195,011 people who are affected in this country. 40 tons for food, and we are expecting the next aircraft to come in today or tomorrow with another 40 tons of non-food items and food. We'll have 20 tons of non-food items and 20 tons of food again. So in total, we will receive 60 tons of food and we will receive 20 tons of non-food items.
We appreciate your viewership at this hour. There's still more to come after this very short commercial break.